Hey guys, it's your boy Jawad and welcome to my new video. Today is day 171 in for 5 year journey and I hope you are doing well. So basically I was shooting some POVs, so you're gonna see them. And today was a great day and I do some affirmations, not meditation, and I will do some exercise and I will complete some work, and I also study for some moment. And the main thing here is I'm sitting in the room and I shoot some POVs, and today I create a much better thumbnail, and that's because the thing is, I shoot videos like this from this, and I will try to fully video, I mean full face video, but I can't because of the low confidence. And now I am practicing this thing, and also that, so this video will be not bigger, and that's it. Hope you are doing well. I'm completing work, and the main thing, I got a new client and I'm currently working on that, 20% commission based, and that's it. I mean 20% partner of this company, and at the end I will unite.